is the mystery prize from the video with Sassy Pants on Monday the 27th of December, and it's How the Grinch Almost Stole Christmas. So we're going to come on up here. I'm going to go grab that. I got to go grab that link real quick. It is this one right here. Let's grab that link. So there's copy the link. There's the random comment picker. Paste it in there. Filter out duplicates. And then based on text, the right answer was Max. We have 30 with that unique word in them. Let's go grab ourselves a winner. Graceful Beauty. Oh, congratulations. I remember watching The Grinch as a young girl and I loved his dog Max. Well, congratulations, Graceful Beauty. That's good. That's awesome. I love seeing when winners are picked. I get nervous at the same, when I first click that button, and then it's exciting when you see the person's name on there. So next, what we need to do is click on her account for YouTube. And there I am. Right here. So that account is successful. Awesome. Congratulations to Graceful Beauty. You are the winner of the mystery prize from How the Grinch Almost Stole Christmas. And that was for the Mask Monday that was posted on December 27th by Miss Sassy Pants. All right, you guys, thank you so much for entering these giveaways. I'm going to be getting another one ready. It probably will not post until in probably another week or so. Nonetheless, what do you do next after winning one of these? Well, guess what? You got to go down to the description box. You'll find my email there. You'll also find my Instagram handle, so you can reach me there through direct message. Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate it. This is a lot of fun, and I got to get these prizes out in the mail this week and get ready for the next one. Take care, and Happy New Year to everybody. Bye.